Early CCF, those were exciting times. Everybody knew each other. Everybody just, it was like family. Most people coming, you knew them from some place or another, knew them from Bible studies. When we would be in worship services, we'd stay around, hang around for about 30, maybe even 40 minutes at the lobby of the AIM, if I remember right. And it would be like one big cocktail party.
There are many fun memories. At that time, I would do the funeral service. I would do the hospital visitation. I will teach the Bible. I'll do the evangelism. And believe it or not, I will do the song leading. And then the time came when the elders said, Peter, why don't you just focus on teaching and not on leading music? And I realized at that time they're missing out on a talent. So that was fun.
I probably go back to the AIM Bible studies. Those would be my fondest memories. I remember I'd come into those Bible studies. Those were my first teaching assignments. And during those times, people would come in 15 minutes early. You know why they did that? Because if you came in on time, you wouldn't have any place to sit. Milestones. Milestones would be people. Last year, I officiated in the renewal of vows, the 45th anniversary of one of those guys. And his whole family had come to know the Lord, all of his kids, and all of his brothers had come to know the Lord, his sisters had come to know the Lord, and it was one big celebration, and everybody was just excited, everybody was high on God, you know.
Another milestone will be when we begin to empower the people, teach their own Bible studies, and then when we begin to meet in different venues, that's another milestone. God gave us that vision to mobilize laymen, laywomen, businessmen, accountants, secretaries, managers. That's the vision.
Bringing a person to Christianity and discipling him to maturity. Though we may not have known it to be a vision at that time, it's probably etched somewhere as one of the vision statements.
Now, God's greatness, if you ask me, it's also about our new project. At the right time, God opens doors. And then eventually the Lord impressed upon us to build our own training center because we need a place. And a property that was not to be sold was sold to us. That's where we have the C5 property. All the surrounding properties are on lease. It's only CCF property that was sold to us. And it was sold for, the payment was to be done in 10 years. But the amazing thing is God gave the money, so we paid that in around 1 year. And then now, the building is coming up. And of course the amount is staggering. Scared to think about it, but God is involved.
My dream is that in the next 25 years, we just bring much more than we have to that point where they become not just contagious because of what they say, but contagious because of their lives.
CCF, if you ask me, we have just begun. The best years are still ahead.